Introduction. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Financial Mo. I'm Mo, and today we're embarking on a deep dive into the world of Canadian credit cards. Choosing the right credit card can significantly impact your financial journey, so join me as we explore the vast landscape of advantages, disadvantages, perks, and eligibility criteria for various Canadian credit cards. Segment 1. Why credit cards are important. Before we dive into specific types of credit cards, let's discuss why credit cards are an integral part of personal finance. Credit cards offer a range of benefits and play a significant role in shaping our financial habits. The importance of credit cards. Firstly, credit cards provide a convenient and secure method of payment. With advancements in technology, credit cards have become a staple in our daily transactions, whether it's shopping online, paying bills, or making in-store purchases. Establishing credit history. Moreover, responsible credit card use is crucial for building and maintaining a positive credit history. A good credit history is essential for various aspects of your financial life, including getting approved for loans, renting an apartment, or even securing a job in some cases. Fun fact. Fun fact alert. Did you know that having a mix of different types of credit, including credit cards, can positively impact your credit score? It demonstrates to lenders that you can manage various financial responsibilities. Segment 2. Types of Canadian credit cards. Now, let's transition to exploring the variety of Canadian credit cards, from cashback and rewards to travel cards. Cashback credit cards. Cashback cards in Canada offer a percentage of your purchases back as cash rewards. The advantage is clear: you get money back for your spending. However, the downside might be higher interest rates. Always pay attention to the terms. Top cashback cards in Canada. Alongside the Scotia Momentum Visa Infinite and the Tangerine Money Back Credit Card, consider how these cards can not only offer financial benefits but also contribute to building your credit history. Rewards credit cards. Rewards cards earn you points or miles for every purchase, which you can redeem for various rewards. The perk here is flexibility, but be aware of potential annual fees and higher APRs. Top rewards cards in Canada. The American Express Cobalt card stands out, not only for its rewards but also for the opportunities it provides to establish and improve your credit. Travel credit cards. Travel cards in Canada provide perks like free flights, hotel stays, or travel insurance. They're fantastic for frequent travelers, but the drawbacks may include high annual fees and limitations on how you can redeem your rewards. Top travel cards in Canada. Consider the TD Aeroplan Visa Infinite and the Scotiabank Gold American Express card not just for their travel benefits but also for how they contribute to your overall financial profile. Fun fact. Here's another fun fact. The concept of credit cards dates back to the 1920s, but the first actual credit card, as we know it today, was the Diners Club card introduced in 1950. Segment 3. Advantages and disadvantages. Now that we've covered the types, let's delve into the advantages and disadvantages of each. Cashback credit cards. The advantage of cashback cards is the simplicity of getting money back on your purchases. However, the disadvantage is that the cashback rates may vary, and some cards have spending caps. Rewards credit cards. Rewards cards offer versatility in redeeming points for various items, but some drawbacks include potential restrictions on redemption and the temptation to overspend to accumulate more points. Travel credit cards. Travel cards come with fantastic perks like free flights and hotel stays. Nevertheless, they might not be suitable for everyone due to high annual fees and limited acceptance in some regions. Segment 4. Comparing different Canadian cards. Let's compare some more popular Canadian cards within these categories to give you a broader perspective. Cashback cards. In addition to Scotia Momentum Visa Infinite and Tangerine Money Back Credit Card, the CIBC Dividend Visa Infinite is another notable cashback option with a focus on groceries and gas. Rewards cards. Expanding our comparison, the Scotia Rewards Visa card is a strong contender in the rewards category, offering a straightforward points system and flexible redemption options. Travel cards. In the travel category, consider the CIBC Aventura Visa Infinite for its competitive travel rewards and comprehensive insurance coverage. Fun fact. Did you know that Canadian credit card holders collectively make over 500 million transactions each month? That's a testament to how ingrained credit cards are in our daily lives. Segment 5. Benefits and perks. It's not just about rewards. Canadian credit cards come with various benefits and perks. Some common perks include extended warranties, purchase protection, and travel insurance. Always check the fine print to understand the full scope of benefits your Canadian card offers. Segment 6. Eligibility criteria. Before you apply for any Canadian credit card, it's crucial to know the eligibility criteria. Factors include your credit score, income, and sometimes even your employment status. Always check the requirements set by the card issuer to increase your chances of approval. Applying for a Canadian card without meeting the criteria could negatively impact your credit score. Thank you. And that's a wrap on our extended journey through the world of Canadian credit cards. Remember, the key is to find the card that aligns with your spending habits and financial goals in the Canadian context. If you found this video helpful and enjoyed the fun facts, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Financial Mo for more financial tips, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, recognize the importance of credit cards in shaping your financial landscape and happy exploring the diverse and exciting realm of Canadian credit cards.